Hi guys, so I wanted to do a quick little tutorial on if you wanted to set up a Google site for your class. We may be moving to another learning management system like in the next couple of years, so you might not want to do this, but for Holly and I, it really helped us set up lessons each day. We just didn't want to go through Blackboard. We wanted to try Google Sites. So if you're in your Google Drive and you go to New and go down to Google Sites, then it opens up a fresh new site. So basically you can change the name, you can change that, you can change the background, you can change the image. I would suggest, like, we kind of took us a little time to figure out how we wanted to set this up, but make this like a home page, introduce yourself, put, Desmos on there is what I have on my home page. But you can add, so over here is kind of where you add different like layouts or text boxes, and then pictures. You can embed videos, YouTube videos. It just seemed easy for us to lay this out for students this way. Then you can, so if this is your home page, then you can add, when you go to pages over here, add the subpages. So unit 1, number system, and then it will set up a new page for you there. So they have different themes where you can change the font and make it cool. And then you just keep adding text boxes and pictures and layouts and links. It just really helped us kind of lay everything out this year. But that was kind of the quick setup. This publish button is where you actually publish your site. So nothing is posted or like put on the internet until you hit that publish site. So you're just kind of in an editing mode. This is in my fcpsschools.net account. So students can access it with their emails, but I've also made some sites in my personal account, specifically one for parents this year. I'll let you know how that's going, but so keep that in mind, like which one you're creating it through, because then only certain people can access it. But I think that's the gist. You can upload stuff from your drive here. Like these 3 pages are basically where you create everything that's kind of gonna go on your site. And then this kind of previews for you what it's gonna look like. You can have tabs up there. So let me know if you have any questions. If you want to try to set up a site, it's kind of another way to help give your students choice, so that they can see it on their own, what their choices are. So let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.